Hi folks, my name is Mike Paslick with Watermark and Company. We are a design renovate builder here in Austin, Texas, and we are on one of our Travis Heights projects here in South Central Austin. And today we're going to talk about some of the things you should look for as a homeowner prior to installing drywall. We have an inspection list that we go through to make sure everything is in line with the drawings and the specifications. So let's take a look inside.
For any large renovation or home building project, these are some things to look for prior to installing drywall. Confirm that all electrical outlets, light boxes, plumbing, and HVAC work have been installed per the project specifications and have passed inspection with local code enforcement. It is much easier and less costly to make adjustments to these items before drywall is installed. Be sure that all penetrations through studs and wall plates and around windows and exterior doors have been sealed with expandable foam to eliminate air infiltration. Test for leaks in all shower pans, tubs, and drain lines by filling them with water and allowing them to stand for at least 24 hours. Ensure that you have wood blocking in the walls for future grab bars, bath accessories, paintings, wall-mounted televisions, and other similar items. If a new HVAC system was installed on your project, we recommend having the ductwork tested for leaks with a duct blaster test prior to installing drywall. Lastly, we always recommend taking photographs of all exposed walls and ceilings for future reference. You never know when this information will be needed.
So anytime you have can lights installed, you want to make sure that you get the canister locked down to the rails. This can actually slides back and forth on the rails to allow the electrician flexibility to install the can as called out on the drawings. You want to make sure it doesn't move. Okay, so we're underneath the house. We've got a pier and beam foundation, and we filled up all the drains with water. We're checking all the fittings to make sure we don't have any issues, and we actually do have a leak on this drain. This is a leak at the master shower pan drain, and this is one of the things we want to fix, and we like to fix these things early on in the project. Even though it's underneath the house, we want to go ahead and take care of it now, even before drywall goes up. Okay, so we're in the attic, we're doing an inspection of the mechanicals, and we always want to do this inspection prior to installing drywall, just in case if we have any issues we can correct them without any problems down the road. One of the things we did with the AC system is we did a manual J calculation to determine the heat load and cooling loads for this house. So that's how our system was sized. One other thing that we did is we did a duct blaster test on all the ductwork just to make sure we don't have any leaks, and we want to determine if we can maintain the efficiency that we're going for this system. Some other things to look for: you want to make sure you've got a platform in front of the unit itself. By code, you have to have at least 30 inches of platform in front of the system in case you ever want to service it. We also need to have a light up here for servicing, as well as a receptacle. If notice here, we've got the flue pipe running out of the furnace, going through the roof, and the flue pipe is actually within 1 inch of the roof decking, and we can't have any combustible material within 1 inch of that flue pipe, so that's something that we need to correct.
Now that we've confirmed everything on the checklist, it's time to start hanging drywall.
This concludes our discussion about what to look for prior to installing drywall. And if you have any questions about this topic, or if you have any questions about our design renovate process, feel free to give us a call. In the meantime, good luck with your renovation, and we'll see you on the next project.